Fix points on site according to the dimensions on the drawing. Bottom plate positioning punching. Insert expansion screw. Use a hammer to compact. Tighten the nut. Insert the leg tube connectors in sequence. Fix with bolts again. Connection between roof beams. Connection between the tops. Fix the other side. Then install and fix the gable pole. Use a crane to lift the first tier. Workers are entrusted to hold on. Afterwards, install the gable leaf. First side completed. Follow the same method later on. Hang the purlin on the roof beam in advance. Sling. Install scissors to fix first and second gears. Other side. Hang up the eave purlin. Hang up the intermediate purlin. Tighten the steel wire rope. First section completed. Install using the same method. The installation of the overall aluminum alloy framework has been completed. Start installing the roof cover. Wrap the roof cover with a rope. Workers pull hard from behind. Pull. Insert the header into the aluminum truck.
structure design the angle 25 to 30. Snow is not easy to stay and slides quickly,
making it convenient for winter activities and the permanent building.